Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and you are now in E's World. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell from the title, we're back with another BoxyCharm video for the month of October. Now this month is special because we actually received two boxes. We received a box from Tarte with some of their new premium collection, and then we have the regular base box. So I'm just going to get straight into it. All the information will be down below in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and thank you to BoxyCharm for gifting me with these products. Now, as you know me, when I get a package, I have to peek inside. So the first item, as you can see, is already half open. We have the Luxe Beauty Lucette Glow Highlighter Palette. So here's the packaging. Comes in this nice royal blue color. And then here we just have some nice, simple, basic highlight shades. I'm immediately drawn to these two because they are, you know, warmer. But I can definitely see myself possibly using both of these, like on the lid, inner corner action, you know. Because palettes, they're honestly universal. You don't have to just use it on your face or just for your eyes just because packaging says so. So this is definitely a universal product, and I can see myself using in the future. Our next product here is from Floor & B Eyes Ice Baby Anti-Aging Cream. It's anti-aging and firming. Let's open this baby up. Now we have a little insert here. It's what's on the inside that matters, and it just lists some, you know, important ingredients in this product. Squalane natural moisturizer, vitamin E. Vitamin E is key for, you know, getting that skin right and tight. And then vitamin B3, it brightens and smooths the skin, which is perfect for, you know, anyone who wants to get their eyes right and tight underneath. So here we have the product. You know me, I'm a smeller, so I have to go in and smell this really quickly. Smells nice. It's a very thick, creamy consistency, so I know it's gonna really like seep into the skin once you apply it under the eye for your nighttime routine. Then our next product here is from Ciate London. We've gotten products from them before in previous boxes, and this is the Spice Palette. Here's the packaging. It's giving, you know, Christmas vibes, the warm raspberry color. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, I like that. It's giving like bougie on the go. So let's see here. Now this is definitely spice. I love this. I'm definitely going to utilize this for the Christmas season. I have some holiday parties coming up, and it's just giving like Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Thanksgiving Day glow. So I'm definitely keeping this. I'm about to put this right on my makeup table so I don't forget. Now here is our next product from Dew of the Gods. It's the Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. And I know collagen products are really big these days in the beauty industry. I personally haven't bought any, but you know, I'm excited to see like what it could do for my skin. I heard it like plumps it up and makes it look younger. So, you know, the key is to age backwards, not forward. I'm just gonna open it up here. It kind of reminds me of packaging from like Bath & Body. If you know, you know. Well, let's see if I can get a good whiff here. Anyway, I cannot get the packaging open due to these beautiful claws here, but I'm excited to try this out. I've been kind of on the market for a new primer, and now that I know that it has collagen to, you know, help euthanize the skin, I'm excited to see what it can do for my skin under my makeup. Our next product here is from the brand Playa. It's Manoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. It smooths frizz and softens strands. So as you can see, I have some braids here, and it does get a little frizzy from time to time. So I'm kind of interested in seeing how this could, you know, what it can do for my hair. It's a nice spray. Has that nice coconut smell. We love that. So I'm excited to see what this is about. Interesting. Now getting into this Tarte box. Let's see what we have here. So here we have Lights Camera Lashes in the shade Black. This is a mascara. You can never go wrong with a nice new mascara. I'm always on the market to, you know, see what's out there since I am taking a break from lash extensions. So here's the packaging, nice small sleeve. You can just slip it right into your bag. I already have mascara and lashes on, so I'm not gonna apply it now, but here is the wand. You know, this is definitely for the camera lights, camera lashes. So if you're looking for that elongated lash, full lash, this is a mascara for you. Next, we have another beautiful palette, High Performance Natural. I don't know if I stated it before, but all of these products are from the Tarte High Performance Naturals collection. Here we are with the packaging. And then here are the shades. Pretty straightforward and natural. This one, it's a bit shattered, unfortunately. Seems like a nice, cute brown color, but you know, we'll make it work. But yeah, this is definitely a palette I see myself using. This is the warm tone brown family that like I'm comfortable with. So I can definitely see myself adding a little bit of this and that from this palette on this lid. Next, we have the Double Take Awake Tarte Ultra Precise Micro Liquid Liner. Comes in the packaging like this. And it's so good that this came right now because I'm getting into, you know, that wing liner again, as you can see. Oh, if you're interested in this look, check out my TikTok, put it below. But back to why we're really here. I've been on the market for, you know, a nice eyeliner pen. And I'm super excited to see how, you know, this looks. I used to use these felt pens back in the day in middle school, but I haven't used it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that precise. You can, you know, do a little, I mean, that's not the best wing, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. I'm definitely gonna put this on my makeup table as well to put this into my everyday makeup routine. Next, we have the Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Orchid. This is a nice pinky color. I can definitely see me layering this with something else, like underneath a gloss, just to add some more color to my nude lip. Doesn't really have a smell, just fine. Okay, so it's like a push bottom. The more you want it to come out, you just go like that. Let's swatch it for the girls. Ooh, this is nice and juicy. Ooh, I can definitely see this product being in my everyday makeup routine. So this is definitely going on the makeup table as well. This box for October has been amazing. Everything, I can definitely see myself adding all of this to my collection. So I'm super excited to try these products out. Now this next product, I don't even have to say much about. We have a cream blush here. Breezy cream blush in the shade Pink Sky. I've been super indulged in the cream blush, you know, trend going on right now, and I can say I love it and I don't see myself veering away from it anytime soon. Just look at that. That is gorgeous. And what I usually do, I'm sure some of the other girlies do, I, you know, put the cream blush on and then I put some other products on top, like a powder blush. It's at the top, you can't really see it that much, but I can definitely work with it. I can put it, you know, here, and then just add some more products on top of that. So I can definitely see myself adding this into my everyday collection as well. Last but not least, we have Tarte C Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. This is a 24-hour moisturizing lotion. It awakens and freshens the skin. And this is definitely a good way to, you know, tie in this box, because after all that makeup, after you film, go out, do what you need to do, it's always good to come home, decompress, wash your face, get all the products off, and then apply your nighttime skincare routine. And then you'll have, you know, a nice thick hydrating moisturizer to seal the deal with all those products from your nighttime routine. So here we have the Tarte Hydrating Boost Lotion. Let's open her up. Smells so fresh, like a nice spa day. Looks like a jelly-like substance, but that smells so good. All right, everyone, that concludes today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much to BoxyCharm again for gifting me with these products, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.